this, let's start with the great verses spoken by Parameshwara in Vishnu Sahasranam about Ramachandra. Sri Rama Rama Rameti Rame Rame Manorame Sahasranama Tattvalyam Rama Nama Varahani. This beautiful verse has been spoken by Shiva Uvacha. In this he tells Sri Rama Rameti Rame Manoram. So he's basically telling his beloved, the queen of his heart, Parvati. So he says, hey Manorama, the most beautiful, the queen of my heart. Do you know something? To tell that to us, to explain it to his wife. Sri Rama. He has already taken thrice Rama. So when Shiva starts talking about Rama, he's so engulfed into the whole beauty of Rama. And he couldn't stop at one Rama. This often happens with us, right? When we go home, we want something from mother. We say, Amma. We don't tell the actual thing. Ma. But dad, we don't call so many times. Nana. We say, Nana, I need this finished. But with Amma, we don't tell the requirement. We just say, Amma. Amma often tells us, what do you want? Come on, tell me. That's a beauty Shiva feels towards Ramachandra. Sri Rama Rameti. Rame Manorame. He says, the way I can just float in that aura of his name.